Prep your nails by filing and shaping as desired. Before application, use gel cleanser to clean all nails. Apply acid-free nail dehydrator and allow it to dry completely. Optional. Apply a thin layer of bond plus adhesion promoter. Apply a thin layer of gel powder base and cure for 60 seconds. Apply a second thin layer of gel powder base without curing. Sprinkle 3-in-1 color powder over the nail, tap off excess, and cure for 60 seconds. Repeat this process for additional coverage if desired. Apply one final coat of gel powder base, cure for 60 seconds, then wipe off the tacky layer with cleanser. File, shape, and buff nails as needed. Brush off dust and cleanse again. Apply no wipe gloss top coat in thin even strokes and cure for 60 seconds. Finish by massaging cuticle oil into the cuticles for healthy, hydrated nails.